job. You ready?
I'm ready, pool.
We're going to go to the ocean first. The beach. Look at all of them floors.
What?
That's a lot of floors, huh?
What doors?
Yeah. There's 23 floors.
One.
Okay, let's go to the car. You ready?
No.
Blink.
Oh,
Pull
no,
this one out.
cars.
Yeah.
Now put it. Yep, there you go. Yep, just like that.
Go in the toilet? Yeah, oh, we forgot your nookie, but hopefully the ocean will distract you. Where are we going?
The pool.
The beach.
The beach.
The ocean.
London.
Yay!
Yay! I got Daddy again.
You got your swimsuit on?
Yeah.
We all have our swimsuit on, huh?
What are we doing?
Don't stand on that, please. That makes me nervous. The most narrow driveway to get your car out of. Careful. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful, huh? Is it beautiful?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is your first time seeing the ocean. You want to touch it?
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't get her sandals.
No.
She can walk in the sand with no shoes.
Whoa. Whoa.
Tell Daddy, slow down.
Toys.
Here we go. You excited?
Good.
What? That's Hi! It's the
You want me to
ocean!
hold on to it? You gonna pick them up and give them to me?
Look at me. No, we gotta take our, we gotta keep
No,
it
no,
on.
not
Do
swimming
you wanna
in
go
the ocean
touch
today.
the ocean? Come on,
Go with Mom.
come on. Let's go. Hold my hand.
What?
I know, we're gonna pick some up, okay? What is that? The ocean? Right there?